Welcome to Bounce, the yard game that combines shooting and catching and is fun for all ages. To get started, place the legs into the back of the boards and then place the boards about 10 to 15 feet apart. You can always go further if you want more of a challenge. Make sure you're standing across from your partner so you can work together to score points. If your shot hits any part of the board, your partner can catch it for 1 point. If your shot goes in, then your team gets 3 points. After taking 2 shots, it's then your partner's turn to shoot twice. Once both partners have taken their 2 shots, the balls are passed to the other team. To win the game, a team must land on 15 points exactly. If a player goes over 15, no points are awarded and that player forfeits the rest of their turn. If the first team to shoot is the first to hit 15, then the second team will have a chance at redemption. Now get out there and go play.